my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. I film beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, and if you guys enjoy those types of videos, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. I'm going to show you guys how you can style your hair so you can get your hair into a wig cap, because I know it can be difficult, especially when you're not doing it without braids. And I feel like sometimes it's better to do it without braids just because you're not having lumps, you know, because you want to have like a smooth surface, and the flatter your hair is, the better the wig would be. I had just combed my hair and I'm about to undo this. Well, before I undo that, well, no, I'm gonna undo this first. So all I did was comb my hair, of course, because if I don't, then it'll look horrible, like for real. So I have to comb my hair before I put on a wig cap, and I'm just using this detangle brush. It works so good in really thick hair because a regular comb can really mess up your hair, and they don't even really get in your hair either, and they can cause frizz too. So then I'm just gonna re-wet my hair up here, because what you want to do is have it slicked back, like all the way back. And I had just left a little bit out for this part because I'm gonna have to do a wig video soon. But if I didn't do this, you want to have your hair slicked all the way back. And I'm just taking a wide tooth comb just to make sure it'll stay slicked back. And by the way, when you comb your hair, of course, you can use any conditioner you have, but what really helps too is using gel. And I use the Eco Styling Gel, and this is the crystal kind, 10 max hold. I would put this all over so no hairs would come out, stick out. And doing this combination with using the rat tail comb and the gel is definitely going to help a lot. And using this comb, because this really detangles your hair. And it doesn't have to be perfect at all, because it's going to be covered up anyway. It's going to get flat anyway. It's going to get messed up somewhat, and you're going to have to like kind of redo it anyway. But yeah, don't stress yourself out too much to where it's like, oh my gosh, it has to be perfect. No, it really doesn't. It's going to be in a very low ponytail, but it's not going to be too low to where it's going to pull a lot right here. But just make sure it's like low enough. Then I'm just gonna take this elastic right here and just do this. And doing it twice is fine. You can do it 3 times if you want, but for me, I kind of like sleep in this, so. And it holds tight enough anyway. It's not like it's poofy right here. And for this part, just ignore this. I'm just gonna put it in a bobby pin because I just want to show you guys like the example of how it would look pretty much. So make sure everything is slicked all the way back, unless you're gonna do baby hairs. I think I might do baby hairs, I'm not sure yet. And if you're wondering what leave-in conditioner I use, I'm just trying to finish my Auras Curls Unleashed leave-in conditioner. It's almost gone. I only have like a little bit left, but this works so good, and it really holds up your hair. And you can also use this when your hair is down, but I prefer using this when I'm like styling it and like putting it in a ponytail bun, you know, stuff like that. But yeah, this works really good. The Eco Gel and this work amazing together. Then now I'm going to show you guys what I do with the ponytail, because this is going to really help you have like a flat surface like all around, not just the top here. Now for the back, at least for the most part, especially if you have like really thick curly hair, you need to really get it flat. So now what you're going to do is split it like this, so it's gonna look just like this. And you're gonna start off with this side or whatever side you want to start on, and split it again. So split the split, and then you're gonna I'm gonna start with this one. Then you're gonna wanna wet it a little bit, add some leave-in towards the bottoms, because we do want to protect the bottoms of the hair since it's very, very fragile. And what you're gonna do is braid it. I prefer braiding than doing twists, because you really want to have this flat, and it doesn't take long to braid these either. So you're gonna braid the half, and you don't have to be perfect with this at all either. So it's gonna look a little bit frizzy, but that's fine. And at least braid them tight enough too, because you don't want them too loose. Then if it gets frizzy again, you're gonna wet it, or at the bottom, and just twist the bottom if you ran out of hair, or if your hair's in layers or something, because that's what I do. I just twist the rest, because I'm not gonna use any like plastic elastics for the bottom, you know, because that can cause damage. And I'm already like doing so much with my hair. See, oh my gosh, look at this curl. Oh my gosh, look how cute it is. And I'm just gonna do the exact same thing with all the hair. So we'll split the ponytail in half, then split that part, then you're gonna want to braid this part, then this part, then split this part, then braid. Then, so my final step to really make this flat right here, I would just take a bobby pin and just bobby pin each of these on my head. Literally, I'll just flip them up and bobby pin each of them on my head. And like, they're pretty flat enough, and they'll get more flatter throughout the days too. I'm leaving enough room right here so I don't damage my hair as well. Will damage the ends of my hair since I did just cut them. And once all of this dries, honestly, this is what I do. Once all of this dries, I just take out the ponytail, and like everything will be molded together like this, to where like it's not gonna move around or get messy because everything is molded together. I use so much gel. Gel helps a lot. And I just put the wig cap on, and it'll be even more flatter since this part is not in the way, the little elastic. But yeah, this is how your hair should be looking now. Y'all got a 20 pack of wig caps for like $7 or $6 on Amazon, or it's a 50 pack. I don't know, it was something super cheap and super affordable, so I'll leave that down below. And same thing with all the other items that I mentioned, because you guys are definitely going to need them, especially, hold on, where's the comb at? But yeah, this comb right here helps, and a rat tail and gel, the top main things that you need, because this is gonna really get into your hair, especially if you have like thick hair like mine. 4C, 4A, 4B. I have 3C, 4A, different textures on my head, because somebody had the nerve to come out my video talking about you don't have 4A. You must be new to my channel because no, I got 4A. It's all in here, right up in here, right in the center. You want to put it on like this. You don't want to put it on like this because everything else will fall back. So try to put it on from the back, because this is gonna be like your, how should I say it, like your hanker, or like something that'll help you. But yeah, you guys will see in a second. So do this, and these might poke out, but all you gotta do is like push them back. But it's not gonna feel uncomfortable, if you guys are wondering. Literally, you have your flat wig cap. It may be a little bumpy right here, just a little bit, because you know we got thick hair, we gotta do what we have to do. And this works perfectly for me, and I'm sure this would work perfectly for you. It get all this flat, and for the back it gets as flat as it can be. Maybe the more braids you do, the more flatter it'll be, but for braids it's fine. Comment down below if you guys are willing to try out this style so your wigs can look more realistic and fit better. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to join the harmony. We're almost at 25,000 subscribers. almost at 25,000 subscribers. Click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload, okay? So yeah, I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.